What if a single quadratic equation could be solved step by step without using the discriminant at all? Stay until the end, because this method reveals the solutions in a clean and elegant way. In this video, we are going to solve a quadratic equation, also known as a second-degree equation. The equation we study is 3x to the power of 2 plus 4x minus 15 equals 0, and we're looking for the real values of the variable x. We start by writing the given equation, 3x to the power of 2 plus 4x minus 15 equals 0. We then add 15 to both sides of the equation, which gives 3x to the power of 2 plus 4x equals 15. Next, we multiply both sides of this equation by 1 divided by 3. So we obtain x to the power of 2 plus 4 divided by 3x equals 5. To complete the square, we add to both sides of the equation the square of the fraction 2 divided by 3. This gives x to the power of 2 plus 4 divided by 3x plus 2 divided by 3 to the power of 2 equals 5 plus 2 divided by 3 to the power of 2. The left-hand side is now a remarkable identity and can be factored as a perfect square. After adding the terms on the right-hand side, we obtain x plus 2 divided by 3 the whole squared equals 49 divided by 9. This equation implies two possible cases. Either x plus 2 divided by 3 equals plus square root of 49 divided by 9. This leads to x equals 7 divided by 3 minus 2 divided by 3 equals 5 divided by 3. Or x plus 2 divided by 3 equals minus square root of 49 divided by 9. This leads to x equals minus 7 divided by 3 minus 2 divided by 3 equals minus 3. We have successfully solved the quadratic equation and found its two real solutions. The solutions are x equals 5 divided by 3 and x equals minus 3. If you learned from this methodical approach to solving quadratic equations, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with anyone who wants to master algebra step by step. Finally, if you truly enjoy this kind of educational content and you want to take your own YouTube journey to the next level, I invite you to check out vidIQ using the link in the description. vidIQ is an all-in-one solution designed specifically for YouTube creators. It allows you to schedule and publish posts directly on YouTube, analyze your channel's growth with detailed insights, generate thumbnails, create video scripts, and access a wide variety of other powerful tools all in one place. If you want to support this channel while also boosting your own YouTube performance, getting a subscription to vidIQ is one of the best ways to do it. Just click the link in the description, explore what it can do for you, and start improving your content today.